Merry Christmas to all of you, and I hope you're all having a happy holiday season. I haven't done a sit-down video like this in what seems like forever. As you've noticed in my channel, I've been posting a lot of travel vlogs, and that's because I've been traveling non-stop and I've only had a hot minute to sit down here in my room and talk about my Christmas gift. Actually, I'm about to leave tomorrow for Europe, but I insisted on showing you guys my Christmas gift to myself because I've been waiting for this for a long time, and I am very excited to share this with you. Actually, it's a vintage piece that I've always been eyeing, but I never really found an occasion to buy. And so finally, when Christmas came around, I thought, okay, fine, I will make this my Christmas gift for myself. And it finally arrived today, and I am so happy. Of course, I went through my shopping box, which is one of my favorite courier services ever, only because they are so efficient, they're so fast, and they really deliver right on the dot, and I never lose anything. I've sent around more than 10 packages already through my shopping box, and I'm very happy with their service. And I have sent bags of all price ranges and sometimes even jewelry. Yes, I think I've sent jewelry to my home. They're very trustworthy, and that is really what I love about my shopping box, because they have such a good track record with me and with other people as well. That's why I cannot stop recommending them to people, because they really are one of the best. I think the best in the Philippines when it comes to sending packages or PO box from the US to the Philippines straight to your doorstep. And it could be anything. It could be like coats for winter or a pair of boots. Recently I bought a pair of boots for Tristan because we are traveling to Europe and we are going during winter. And I've also sent food during big sales in the US. I usually send it all to my shopping box, and it arrives straight to my door, fuss-free, worry-free, and they really are so efficient. I love them so much. I don't think I'll ever stop using their service as long as they have great service, which I think they will have forever. And yes, so this is my Christmas gift. Actually, I've been eyeing this item for a long time because I don't really just buy luxury items or goods on a whim, although I wish I could do that. I wait for a special occasion most of the time, like a birthday or Christmas, and here it is. I am so happy and excited to share this with you. So yeah, let's get unboxing, guys. As you can see, this is a box from Fashion File, which is one of my favorite go-to places to shop for luxury goods, just because they have amazing prices. And buying secondhand or buying vintage is really the way to go, and I love the idea of it. I love the idea of sustainability and being able to just buy something that was pre-loved and putting it in my collection. I love the idea of having my bags having a sort of history, and yeah, I'm so excited for this. So, okay, as you can see, a thank you note from Fashion File, and open it. This is the bag that I've been wanting for quite a long time now, and I really love how classic it is. And this is actually a vintage bag, and it will be my first time to see it up close in person, but I have been like on the fence. This has always been in my shopping cart. I never really remove it until I found the perfect opportunity or the perfect occasion to get it, and I believe it's now here, and this is my Christmas gift to myself, and I'm so happy. I'm so excited. Here it is. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. I love this so much. Okay, so as you guys know, this bag is called the Fendi Zucca Mamma Baguette in tobacco. I absolutely love this print. It is really such a classic. I was actually looking for a baguette, like a normal baguette, but I couldn't find one that was in the condition that I really wanted it in, which is like this, which is very good condition according to Fashion File. And so I went with the Mama Baguette, which I think is even better because I can put more stuff, and since I'm a mom and I bring everything with me, I bring so many things with me for me and my son, then this is really the perfect size for me, I think. And I was expecting it to be bigger, to be honest, but no, it's actually a very nice size for everyday use. So if you can see how big it is, this is how it looks, and it is actually a pretty big size, so I can use it probably for my trip. And I absolutely love the condition that I got it in. This is in a very good condition condition and it smells good. It doesn't have a musty smell. The print looks very good. There are no rips. There are no damages with the leather. It's very much intact. I feel so lucky to have found this in a good price too, and it was sale too. I got it during the 11/11 sale and I got a really good deal from this. I have been loving it more and more the more that I see it everywhere, like online, and I prefer the vintage to the new ones because this has more character, and I think this is well made and it has a pretty shape. Like, it has a very classic shape that's perfect for everyday use, and I absolutely love it. I love how easygoing it is and how great it is for everyday use. And the print itself, I'm in love with. I really love this, and I love this detail here. It has a leather enclosure and this has a metal Fendi logo, and I feel happy whenever I look at it. Almost every night, I've been looking at this bag through photos at the site. And finally, here it is. I can't wait to use this actually. So what I'm gonna do is, I just wanted to do an unboxing video just to show you the bag that I got for Christmas. But I want to kind of use this for a while and do a review so that I can give you a more extensive review and really my thoughts and my pros and cons about this bag. But so far, I'm just over the moon about this bag. I'm just so happy. I could not say any bad things about this bag because it is really a bag that I've wanted for a while, and I finally have it for Christmas. And I feel like I really deserve this because I waited so long for it. And I'm so thankful for Black Friday. I'm so happy. Yeah, if you guys want to shop for anything in the US, here are my tips. Just wait for a sale and just send it through my shopping box. They will deliver it straight to your door and you will not regret it because you will get the item in X amount of days. Mine took like about 2 weeks. I hope you like this one, guys. I'm gonna make it short and sweet. Let me know in the comments below what you want to know about this bag, and I will try to get back to you and come up with a new video so I can show you all the things, like the ins and outs of this bag. Oh yeah, maybe I should show you like how it looks inside. You just open it, there's like a magnetic clasp, and inside it's pretty much just a big hole. There's a big space inside and not much. There's just a zippered part here. I actually appreciate the space more. I would prefer like a big open space in my bag just so I can organize and put more things inside. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You could see the inside of the bag. More or less, it's made out of fabric, but it's really so gently used. I absolutely love it. And I love how slouchy it looks actually. It looks better without the air paper. Yeah, I'm glad to have shared this with you. Gosh, it really looks so good slouchy. And yeah, I hope you liked it, guys. I have to go pack for my trip tomorrow. My Christmas gift to myself. And if you have any questions about it, let me know in the comment section below so I can get back to you. Thank you so much to my shopping box for bringing my bag safe to me. I'm so happy. I will see you in my next video. Bye!